So iPhone 16 Pro, Max or Plus users, how do you make your iPhone vibrate even if you are in the silent mode? Well, there is a way to achieve that. Currently, if I press the action button, currently I have set it to silent mode. Even if it's on silent mode, I want it to vibrate when I receive a call or something like that if I accidentally leave it on silent. In order to do that, we first of all open up settings and we simply go to the option called sounds and haptics and tap on it. From there, you can see the option called Haptics, currently set to don't play in silent mode, but you can change that to either play in silent mode, which will only play in silent mode, or also always play. So always play also means that it is going to play both when your iPhone is silent or in your ringing mode. So I would recommend it set to always play, but you can also change it to play in silent mode instead. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.